If your water tank bolts are all rusty or damaged, you gotta swap them out to keep everything tight and leak-free. Okay, so first, find the right size bolts and washers to match what's on your tank. Don't just grab any old ones from the hardware store. Use stainless steel bolts if you can because they resist rust way better, especially if your tank's outside or in a damp spot. Before putting on the new bolts, clean the area around the holes to get rid of rust or gunk. This helps the new bolts sit properly. When you tighten the bolts, go slow and even, so you don't crack the tank or strip the threads. Tighten in a crisscross pattern if possible. If the washers look old or bent, replace those too, because they help keep the seal tight and prevent leaks. Keep an eye on your bolts every few months to catch any rust starting back up early. Regular checks save headaches later. If you notice any leaks after swapping bolts, double check the washers and seals. Sometimes they need replacing too. And finally, if you're not sure about sizes or materials, don't hesitate to ask a pro or check your tank's manual for specs. One of the biggest mistakes with rusty tank bolts is using the wrong type of bolts that rust quickly and cause leaks. Fix this by always picking stainless steel or galvanized bolts. Another issue is over-tightening bolts, which can crack the tank or strip threads. Just tighten bolts evenly and gently until snug. The third common problem is ignoring old washers, which can break down and ruin the seal. Always swap out washers when you replace bolts to keep everything watertight. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff, so you don't have to stress about who to call for repairs. Plus, it helps contractors connect with people needing jobs, making sure good work gets done and everyone wins.